Morning students. Today I will start with the chapter Political Parties. Last week I started with democracy and diversity, but there was a notice from the side of CBSE wherein they had revised the syllabus of standard 9th and 10th, and according to that chapter democracy and diversity, according to that revised syllabus, the chapter Democracy and Diversity has been deleted. So there's no point right now doing that chapter. Of course, we'll be doing it so that I can give you an idea about the chapter, because sometimes correlation also helps in answering the analytical questions. But for now, the need of the hour is that we should first cover up the syllabus. So I'll start with the chapter Political Parties. So if you can see, in this tour of democracy, we have come across political parties several times. You all know what is a political party. We are not unaware of this term. Every day we keep hearing of this term. We noticed the role of political parties in the rise of democracies. In fact, democracy in India is equal to political parties. They are synonymous terms. डेमोक्रेसी बिना पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के सर्वाइव ही नहीं कर सकती है. In the formation of constitutional designs in electoral politics and in the making and working of governments. In this textbook, we have glanced at political parties as vehicles of federal sharing of political parties and as negotiators of social division. So basically, this overview talks about the existence of political parties in India. Okay. So we all are aware of few very famous political parties. BJP, that is the ruling party. Then Congress, that is in opposition and always keeps pointing out flaws in the working style of BJP. Okay, so these two are the very famous political parties, and other than this, what we keep hearing. You must have studied about that in standard 9th also. CPIM, BSP, Aam Aadmi Party, ये सब हम लोग सुनते रहते हैं. So we are not aware of this term. But the question is, that is it really synonymous to democracy? Okay, and if political parties are needed, how many parties should be there? Then what is the difference between national party and regional party? Okay, like Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, this is not a national party, but BJP is a national party. So what is the difference between these two terms? This is what we are going to study in this chapter. So the first topic is, why do we need political parties? See, political parties are the most visible institution. So it is an institution, an organization, okay, and most visible. Every day one name that we hear is of a political party. Okay, कभी हम लोग उनके कुछ अच्छे को appreciate कर रहे होते हैं और दूसरे ही दिन उनके बुरे किए हुए को criticize कर रहे होते हैं. So nowadays you people are at home, चलते फिरते अगर न्यूज़ सुन लेते होंगे तो of course you would come across some of the names that candidate belong to some political party. So एक बहुत ऑर्डिनरी सिटीजन के लिए भी जो बहुत पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, डेमोक्रेसी इज इक्वल टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. हाउ डू वी इक्वेट डेमोक्रेसी? वी इक्वेट डेमोक्रेसी विथ व्हाट? बीजेपी ऐसा कर रही है, कांग्रेस ऐसा कर रही है. बीजेपी ने लोकतंत्र को ऐसा किया हुआ है, कांग्रेस ने लोकतंत्र का मजाक बनाया. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, लोकतंत्र मीन्स डेमोक्रेसी. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर इक्वेटिंग डेमोक्रेसी विथ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. If you travel to remote parts of the country and speak to the less educated citizens, अगर आप रूरल एरियाज़ में जाएंगे और कम पढ़े लिखे लोगों से भी बात करेंगे तो उन्हें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं पता है. दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंड अ डिक्टेटोरियल. दे ओनली नो अबाउट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. उन्हें ये ज़रूर पता है कि अभी सरकार किसकी है. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वॉन्ट टू इंसिस्ट, दैट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी is the most visible institution in a democratic country like India. और visibility का मतलब यहाँ popularity से नहीं है. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो political parties को हमेशा criticize करते हैं. There are many people like you and me also. Whatever goes wrong in our country, we criticize our political parties. Now during this pandemic also you see, if things are going wrong, if there is lockdown imposed, then also we criticize. There is a section of people who criticize. If the lockdown is lifted, then also they are criticized. So sometimes we don't take anything on ourselves. Okay, for everything that goes wrong, we point our finger towards political parties. But then there is a very famous saying, when we point one finger at others, we must see how many are towards us. So whatever they are doing, we need to be a part of it. If lockdown was imposed, there were many people who defied it. Okay, still now if you see, there are many people who are defying it. It has been said that if something is really essential, you should go out. But there are many students, there are many boys whom I have seen roaming out. Of course, I don't think every day there would be something essential. So in that case, we as people, we also don't perform our fundamental duties. But we always want them to perform their duties. Actually, it is a bilateral process. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो सक्सेसफुल हो, तो पहले हमें सिटीज़न के कॉन्सेप्ट को भी सक्सेसफुल करना होगा. एनीवेज, सो पार्टीज़ हैव बिकम आइडेंटिफाइड विद सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल डिविजन्स. तो पार्टीज़ हमारे यहाँ भी डिविजन्स में आइडेंटिफाई होते हैं. लाइक इफ़ यू सी, बीजेपी इज़ ऑलवेज आइडेंटिफाइड दैट दे हैव अ बेंट टूवर्ड्स हिंदुइज़म. Okay, they show their special inclination towards Hinduism. They believe in the ideology that has inclination towards Hinduism. Congress is termed as a moderate party. Okay, then in that case, if you see, we have started identifying political parties with a kind of a social difference or a social division. So a very natural question comes here, do we really need political parties? Of course we need it, because without an organization being at the top, the democracy cannot function smoothly. ये एक organization, ये एक country भी क्या है, एक coming together of people है. तो coming together of people एक organization हो गया. तो organization को एक head चाहिए, a head that can frame rules and regulations. नहीं तो सब कुछ बहुत chaotic हो जाएगा. कोई rules and regulations अगर नहीं रहेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा law and order के साथ लोग खेलने लगेंगे. And then there would be anarchy. Anarchy का मतलब होता है lawlessness. So to prevent ourselves from this lawlessness, political parties are needed so that these political parties can frame government, and that government can rule the people and frame laws for them. So what is a political party? You need to underline this definition and keep somewhere in your mind. इसको एकदम अच्छे से रट लेना है. Yes, I mean it. You need to cram this, because number of times this question has been asked. Define a political party. It is very easy. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. A group of people जो election लड़ते हैं, and if they win, that same particular political party forms the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote collective good. Collective good का मतलब होता है good for all. एक होता है selective good, मतलब good for few people, और एक होता है collective good. तो political party का focus क्या है कि सबका भला हो. आपने सुना होगा बीजेपी का कैप्शन था सबका साथ सबका विकास. तो ये सबका विकास का मतलब ही होता है collective good.